Hey guys, it's Kenan. So today I have lots of chores to do, but wow, cleaning the floors is a headache. Traditional broomsticks provoke dust and allergens, and corded vacuum cleaners will have various cable events. Currently, the best thing on the market are the wireless vacuum cleaners, but they barely last 20 minutes on a charge, and they take too long to charge. Is there a solution? Well, of course, that's why I'm here. The Comfyer Wireless Vacuum Cleaner. It is simply the most powerful wireless vacuum cleaner I have ever seen. Let's take a look inside the box. Perfect. In the box, we have the main body, we have the switch connecting rod, the battery connecting rod, and the power supply. There will also, of course, be an instruction manual. You can use the Comfyer Wireless Vacuum Cleaner for over 30 minutes. You can use it for over 40 minutes. In fact, you can use it for 65 minutes. That's amazing. That's more than 3 times the average wireless vacuum cleaner on the market. Trust me, your desire to clean spick and span ain't going anywhere today. And look, if you haven't finished cleaning the place in 65 minutes, you probably need a nap anyway. Or your place is so disgusting, you need professional help. All right, the battery only needs 2.5 hours to fully charge, and it can be charged and disassembled separately. Check this out. There's no need to stand the vacuum up next to an outlet. You take the battery, you plug it in, and it stands up just like that. So if you have children or pets, don't worry, no big item hazards here. And the convenience doesn't end there. You don't need to buy a dust bag, which means you don't need to waste your hard-earned money on more and more consumables, because we have this 1.65 liter dust box, which is certainly big enough for everything to clean in your house. And check this out. It has a washable HEPA filter, which filters 99.99% of dusts and allergens. Did you hear that? I said 99.99%. That's like space research laboratory level clean, okay? Now let's talk about the cleaning effect. We have this 15.7 inch ultra wide suction head coupled with 110 watts of power with the battery that I mentioned before. Okay, so the suction on this thing is really, really good. Trust me, it's like a black hole. If I demonstrate it, I'm probably gonna disappear. And this is perfectly fit for the wooden floors or ceramic tiles in your home. So if you're like me and just tired of vacuum cleaner cables and want the freedom to clean without interruption, then this Comfyer wireless vacuum cleaner is perfect for you. And it also makes a great gift. So I really hope this item brings you joy and gives you more free time for the other awesome things in your life. Thanks so much. See you next time. Hey everyone, it's Kenan. Who doesn't love music, right? Today we're going to check out a piece of music equipment that brings back the classic, infectious sound of vinyl with a modern twist. It is, dun dun dun, the LP&1 portable vinyl turntable. The LP&1 portable vinyl player comes like this straight out of the box, all right? It comes with a power cord, an instruction manual, and the turntable itself. Let's look inside. We open it up and we see a turntable that's basically ready to go. It's got a nice sleek finish. All we do is simply plug it in and we are ready to play music, baby. You'll notice the turntable has 3 rubber widgets that keep the vinyl stable as it plays and spins around. So nothing bad is gonna happen to your classic music. All right. I turn on the turntable and voila. Oh, can't let you listen to too much. Copyright infringement. But this is how it works. Isn't that cool? Now I want you to notice the speakers. We got a pretty sweet looking grill finish on the front, and these speakers are calibrated to match the vinyl experience. So you really get that classic noise. And I also want to mention that we can play all types of classic vinyl records, 33 1/3, 45, and 78. There's a calibration that lets you change the size, and also the extra attachment that lets you safely play the 45s. So you not only get to listen to those old albums, but you also get to enjoy those classic singles. As you saw, I was just playing the vinyl record with no extra attachments. So the portable turntable is itself a speaker, but we have DCA in and out, so you can plug it into other, maybe more intense speakers. We also have auxiliary in, and we have a headphone jack. So what does this mean? This means that you can bring the vinyl experience to your friends and family and strangers out on the beach or in a public place. Or if you're somewhere where you need more privacy, maybe you're in a cafe, maybe you're on a plane, you can listen to vinyl on your own. You plug in your headphones and you have this all to yourself. You can also use this unit as a speaker to play your digital music. So if you want to play your MP3s or your waves from your phone, you hook it up and let this baby be your speaker. So technology is evolving at seemingly warp speed, but we don't want to forget our roots. All right, so next time you go to a party or a hangout, be the center of attention, give everybody that classic feel, vinyl, brilliant, retro music with the LP&1 portable turntable. And what's that? I think my friends are calling me right now. I'm gonna do just that. I've got my portable turntable. I've got my retro music. See you guys later. No. Hey guys, it's Kenan here. Are you ever playing a computer game for so long that your hand starts to get tired because you're pressing the same key for like 3 hours on end? Well, not anymore. Enter the iKKEGOL USB foot switch pedal. This replaces a key on your keyboard. Let's see how it works. I place it down on the ground for my foot, and for demonstration, I'll leave it on the table for you to see. All right, let's play a racing game. So normally, to hit the gas, I'd have to hold my hand on the shift key and then control direction with WASD. Not anymore. I can just use my foot to press on the gas. And now, just like driving a car, I'm able to use my foot to press on the gas, one hand to change direction, and with the other hand, I can just sip coffee and win the race. Number one feels so good. Now what about first-person shooter games like Counter-Strike, Call of Duty, or Battlefield? It's really common to have to press a button to rush, jump, or crouch. Check this out. I've now programmed this common rush key to my foot, and I can just rush, crouch, stop, rush, stop. Super easy. My hand isn't going to get fatigued, and in a way, I get a little more subtle control. This turns me into a better gamer. I'm now not only using my two hands, but my full body to be immersed in the game. The iKKEGOL USB foot switch is really easy to set up. It comes in this box along with these drivers, or you can download the drivers from the website. Now the USB foot pedal needs to be first programmed on a Windows platform. So you program the hotkey you want on a Windows platform, but then you can unplug the foot switch and use it on any kind of Linux, Android, or Mac platform you want. So if you only have a Mac computer, you could actually set up a boot camp drive. You can install Windows 10 for free on Mac. So even if you don't have a Windows, if you only have Mac, you're not out of the water. You can set up Windows for free on Boot Camp, program your hotkey, and then use the pedal on your Mac machine. It's perfect. Now this is a singular foot pedal. iKKEGOL actually has a 2-pedal and 3-pedal model. So if you are using professional medical equipment, I don't know if you're a dentist or doing professional imagery, you can program multiple foot pedals to different hotkeys on keyboards. So literally any single thing that has a hotkey, you can program it to your foot to make your life more easy. If you're photoshopping images and have to commonly switch a tool, you can program that to your foot. Let's say you're trying to enjoy a film and you want to be able to eat a snack while you do it. But then your phone rings. You got to put down the food and hit pause, and maybe you get your keyboard all dirty. You don't have to do that anymore. You can program the iKKEGOL foot switch to be pause and play. And now if your phone rings, you just pause the movie, and then you can rest on your food. You don't lose your place in the movie. Everything's fine. Let's say you're playing a game and you have homework to do. Your parents come home. What do? The foot switch changes your desktop. Change your desktop and say, oh, hello. Yes, I'm doing my homework. Nothing suspicious here. So anything you can think of, the foot switch now becomes an extra button, and your hands don't have to get fatigued. You can make your life super convenient by being able to employ your foot to utilize different functions on the computer. That's the iKKEGOL foot switch. It comes in single, dual, and triple pedal models. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Kenan, but you don't know what kind of floor I have. Is it going to be stable? Well, so long as your floor isn't made of marbles or sprinkles, you're going to be perfectly fine. The back has 4 rubber stoppers, so whether your floor is wood, laminate, ceramic, marble, or carpet, it's going to remain super stable. It's not going to slip out from under your foot. You're going to be perfectly fine. Now, another thing I want to mention is that you may not be using this to crouch or jump in a game. We live in the age of live streaming, voice over IP. Remember, you could also program your push to talk button as the foot pedal. So if you're playing a game and don't want to accidentally talk to the people on the game when you're talking to your live stream, you could program the foot pedal to be talking to your Twitch live stream or on Discord. All right, so talk to your friends, accelerate a car, literally anything that a button on your mouse or your keyboard can do, you can change it to be the foot pedal. So you can do quite a lot for very low cost. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. You can buy this product on Newegg.com, and I hope to bring you more awesome information in the future. See you later. Hey there everybody, it's Kenan, your trusty tech nerd with all things life-changing and value-packed. I've got a question. Have you ever been locked outside of your own home without the key? Not only is that thoroughly embarrassing, that can be really scary. It happened once to me in LA at night, and I don't think I want to remember that right now. Okay, so life without keys would be amazing, but that's not possible, right guys? Not so fast. There actually is a safe and convenient solution, more convenient than some archaic combination lock. Enter the ever more popular Smart Lock. All the review websites are raving about this right now. Let's see why. When I take a look at the box, I first noticed that it has Bluetooth capability with Apple HomeKit. All right, so just as long as your house has either an Apple TV, a HomePod, or an iPad, you will be able to use this product with seamless functionality. Of course, you can use your phone to control the smart lock, or you can use Siri Voice. You can program automatic locking schedules. For instance, you can lock the door before you go to work or before you go to bed. You can seamlessly connect the lock to other smart devices in your home. Needless to say, your happiness index is about to soar. Now, let's look inside the box to see what VOCOlinc has provided us. Okay, first thing I notice is there's an instruction manual. That is very good. Okay, then of course, they give us the smart door lock body. Let's take a closer look at that. Nice and sleek. We have the keypad and the unit that gets attached to the door. And then lastly, we are provided, with the unit that goes inside the door to help install the lock. Now you'll also notice in this box, they've provided us with physical keys. Now let's talk about that. You can of course still use physical keys to open the door. You can also use the keypad. And this has something really, really awesome about it, okay? Not only can you program a special password for your door, you can program up to not just 10, not just 20, but 30 passwords simultaneously for your door. And not only can you have more than 30 passwords, you can track the usage of each password. What does that mean? That means your babysitter, the person who walks your dogs, Aunt Carol, whenever they use their password to open or close the door, it is located and recorded in the app. I'm looking at my app right now. Why is Aunt Carol coming over so much? And the excellent features don't stop there. You only need 4 AA batteries and you get not just 2 months, not just 3 months, but 4 to 6 months of life out of this baby. And complete with a solid mechanical structure, I haven't had any issues with this lock in the time that I've used it. And installation is super easy. It's compatible with most standard door panels. But how simple is it to connect to Apple HomeKit? Well, I'm glad you asked. On the back, there is a QR code. You just open Apple HomeKit, you scan that QR code, and within 5 seconds, you're connected. Compared with the other smart door locks that are maybe over $200, this lock cannot be used with Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. You need Apple HomeKit. But just as long as your house has the Apple HomeKit Smart System, you can seamlessly use this lock and all of its benefits. All right, everyone, I really hope that this lock brings your life pleasure and value. Thanks so much. See you next time.